Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect Netflix from TV. There are two different ways you can use to disconnect Netflix from your TV. The first method is directly on the TV and the next method is from the Netflix website. I'm going to show you how you can do it from the Netflix website in today's video. First of all, open up a web browser and then type in netflix.com in the URL box. Once you log into your netflix.com account, mouse over to your avatar at the top right corner and click on Account. After you click on Account and you end up in the account interface, scroll down and click on Manage Access and Device. Identify the TV you want to disconnect from the list and click on the Sign Out button. Confirm signing out and then you will then be able to disconnect Netflix from TV. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.